Yes, good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about a very important question. Okay, and question is that what do you understand by holistic technology? Holistic, holistic technology. Okay, so question may come in examination. What do you understand by holistic technology? Briefly explain. What is a holistic technology? Take any two such examples from the Indian tradition and explain them. And question may come in this form that describe briefly the criteria for evaluation of holistic technology. Support your answer with an example. So altogether we have to discuss about holistic technology. Friends, uh, the modern technologies and system are all human inventions in response to the needs visualized under the influence of the prevailing worldview. Accordingly, they have been designed and optimized to the objective functions best suited to the worldview. In order to facilitate the development of holistic technologies and systems, it will be necessary to visualize alternative objective functions and to formulate appropriate criteria for evaluation compatible with comprehensive human goal. Generally speaking, there are three broad criteria to guide the development of such technologies and systems. First, a catering to appropriate needs and lifestyle. Catering to appropriate needs and lifestyles. Needs and lifestyles. Lifestyles. Catering to appropriate needs and lifestyles. Second point is that be people friendly. People friendly. Okay. And third thing is that eco friendly. Eco friendly. Okay. Catering to appropriate needs and lifestyles. People friendly and eco friendly. Okay. Next, let's discuss criteria for technologies. Criteria for technologies. See, the above mentioned general criteria can be itemized into more specific form as follows. First point, catering to real human needs. Catering to real human needs. First point, compatible with natural system and cycles. Second point, compatible with natural systems, compatible with natural systems and cycles. Next, safe, user friendly and conducive to health. Safe, user friendly and conducive to health. Okay, low cost and energy efficient, low cost and energy efficient. Okay, enhancing human interaction and cooperation, enhancing human interaction and cooperation, human interaction and cooperation, and many more. Okay, so first point is that catering to real human needs. These are the criteria for technologies. Second, compatible with natural system and cycles. Okay, third, safe, user friendly and conducive to health, low cost and energy efficient, enhancing enhancing human human interaction, and cooperation. Okay, and we can also add promoting the use of renewable energy resources, promoting the use of renewable energy resources. Okay, so we can also add it. Okay, so it is all about holistic technology. Okay, see, if we talk about human goal, okay, question may come in examination that write a short note on human goal. Okay, so how to define this thing. Okay, let's discuss. It was about holistic technology. Now let's discuss about human goal. See, in order to facilitate the fulfillment of the basic aspirations of all human being in the society and the values that join these human beings together, the following human goal needs to be understood. Okay, first, human goals. Okay, right understanding, right understanding. Okay, right understanding is necessary for all human being. When one does not have the right understanding, one remains disturbed and also acts in a manner so as to create disharmony with other human being as well as with the rest of nature. Okay, in every individual, in every individual. Okay, first thing. The second thing is that prosperity. Prosperity in every family, in every family. Prosperity is needed in every family. Prosperity in the family means that the family is able to identify its need and is able to produce, achieve more than its requirements. Okay, so how to define prosperity? Prosperity is needed in every family. Prosperity in the family means that the family is able to identify its need and is able to produce or achieve more than its requirements. Next, fearlessness. 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 Okay, I mean trust. Okay, in society, in society. Okay, देखो, trust, fearlessness, trust in society means every member of society feels related to everyone else, and therefore there is a trust and fearlessness. Once again, trust in society means every member of society feels related to everyone else, and therefore there is trust and fearlessness. Okay, and next thing is that coexistence. Co coexistence in nature. Okay, see, coexistence in nature means there is a relationship and complementary among all the entities in nature, including human beings. Okay, so these are the human goals. Okay, see, lack of understanding of harmony has led astray our programs, and we are not able to work for the fulfillment of comprehensive human goals today. In light of the comprehensive human goal, the following five salient dimensions of human endeavor are to be shaped and implemented in society. Okay, first, education. It means right living. Second, health. It means self regulation. Third, justice. It means preservation. Fourth, production. It means work. Fifth, exchange. It means storage. Okay, so these five dimensions broadly cover all the activities that are necessary and fundamental to the harmonious existence of human society and to achieve human goal. Okay, so it was all about holistic technology. Okay, and in holistic technology we focused one thing, that it will be necessary to visualize alternative objective function and to formulate appropriate criteria for evaluation compatible with comprehensive human goal. Okay, so it is attached with the holistic technology. Okay, so I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.